Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and check us out at kiesmotorsports.com. A very common problem with E and F Series BMWs is the air conditioning system stinks. And some people try to mask it with air fresheners. But all air fresheners do is they mask the problem. They don't solve the problem. So today we're going to show you how to actually get rid of those odors by replacing your cabin air filter and with the use of an ozone generator. Let's start by replacing our cabin air filter. Now, to replace your cabin air filter, the first tool that you're going to need is a 10mm socket, and there's a 10mm nut that needs to be removed right over here, and then there's one over here. Then what you can do is just gently get your hand in here, pull this down, and disconnect your 12 volt if you have that, disconnect your light if you have that, and slide this piece completely out. Now, I don't know who thought this was a good idea, but this curved piece right here, this is where your cabin air filter is. So you're going to need a T20. You can very carefully remove this screw. Then you can carefully remove this screw. Then what you can do is very carefully get this piece, pull it down. Oh, look at all that lovely stuff. Just pull your old air filter out. All right, and as we can see, this is disgusting. There is all kinds of different junk. Look at the color difference between the nasty and the clean. Let's compare this to the brand new one. Okay, we'll compare the arrows, make sure it's right. Look at that. This is disgusting. Look at this, there's actual dirt in here. All right, so what we need to do now is we need to make sure that the airflow is going to go through the correct way. So the arrow is going to point to the outer part of the arc. So we know that this is going to need to go just like this. So let's install it. Now what we're going to do, put one end in, bend it around, carefully push it up. Kind of awkward, but you'll get it. And you get this piece right here. And you just snap that on, and then reinstall the screws. And then, once you've done that, you can reinstall the under panel here, reconnect your connections, and secure it with those two 10mm nuts. Now, after installing just the cabin air filter, the air conditioning smells 1,000 times better, but since we have it, we're also going to continue with the ozone generator. So what you're going to do is take this, you're going to put it in your footwell, and then it has a 12-volt socket. You're going to just plug this in to an available socket. Some cars have a socket down here, some do not, so just find an available one and plug that in. Now, as it says on the side, do not be in the car while this is creating ozone. Basically what it's going to do is it's going to transform the air in the car to basically like it is in the ozone way up in the atmosphere. Now, from my understanding, it is not good to breathe that, so that's why they have that big sticker on the side. Now what you need to do is you need to pull the car outside because it has to be running. So start your car. Then what we're going to do is you need to set your temperature as cold as it can go with the air conditioning button on recirculate mode with the air blowing towards your feet. So at this time, we'll set all of those settings. So we'll set this as cold as it can go. We have it on manual recirculate, put the fan speed up, and we have it on the feet. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna press this button, and you're gonna hear a hissing sound, kind of like a leaking air compressor, and that's, I guess, generating the ozone. It kind of smells, so just be forewarned. And then after you're done, you want to make sure that your car is completely aired out. Now this process is going to take about 12 minutes to complete, and what it's doing is taking the ozone, and with the recirculate on, it's forcing it all the way through those vents, essentially sanitizing it. So let it do its thing, and then once it's done, it's going to have a solid red light. Right now the light is blinking. Then once the process is complete, what we're gonna do is we're gonna let the car air out for about 30 minutes or so. All right, at this point, the ozone machine is done, so I'm just gonna unplug it quickly. Now I can turn off the car. Then once the car is off, we're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes or so with the doors closed, and then we're gonna open all the doors, kind of let it air out. Now it does say in the instructions that to reverse the smell and to reverse the ozone and change it back to oxygen, that you can turn on the heat. So once it's done sitting, we're gonna turn the heat on for a while and open the doors and just try to get all the smell out. As you just saw, we changed out the cabin air filter and then did the ozone treatment, and it smells amazing in here. Those two products did a fantastic job. I will say that we noticed a huge difference just by doing the cabin filter alone. So if you just bought your car, or if you have, I would say 20,000 miles or more, be sure to check that and make sure that you're constantly changing it, because it made an incredible difference. The ozone machine did a good job as well. One thing that we noticed is right after we did it, it made the car smell like the ozone, which is, it's kind of hard to talk about or describe a smell because it's just kind of weird, I'll be honest with you. We let the car sit for about an hour, and then all of the smell dissipated and everything is awesome now. For links to any of the products that we used in today's video, be sure to see the description. The ozone machine was from Amazon and the filter was from FCP Euro. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. Hope you liked today's video and hope you can freshen up your car from today's tips. Be sure to check us out at kiesmotorsports.com for all your BMW retrofit performance and aesthetic needs. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks so much for watching. Give us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.